So, as stated many times before, I have an art show coming up. And I'm very, very excited. And I'm going to be selling, all my candles and all my resin stuff that I've been ramping up for. But my friend Kit, who I've mentioned before, who is the operator of KitsShopOfOddities, she has really been an inspiration to me and a wonderful friend. And I said that I would sell some of their stuff at the show, since they have trouble getting out and about due to health reasons. But this is the stuff that she sent me. Let's see. So, Deer Coffin Bone Pendulum. Beautiful necklace. Mink bones and some little stones. So, some little Ouija board necklaces. Some selenite. I don't know if that's a necklace or a pendant or both, but it's selenite. Armadillo with some cool little pendant pieces to go with it. A butterfly wing. More armadillo with some more cute little pendant pieces. This is like earrings, it looks like. Amethyst. Looks like combination of necklace and earrings. Cute little stone earrings. Hang on. Really can't see these very well. Not on camera. More armadillo. More mink bone. More armadillo. Squirrel. Looks like vertebra. Or vertebrae. Gopher? Gopher bone necklace. I'm guessing shark teeth. Couldn't be more shark teeth. Mink. I love these little curio jars that they make. I apologize, I keep misgendering. Citrine earrings. Beaver claws. A rabbit's foot. Poor rabbit. More beaver claws. Ooh. Rabbit vertebra necklace. Eep. Black bear. Probably toe bones, finger bones. Same here. Green iguana. There. Oh, she made a ton of these little spell jars for me to give away with bigger orders. They have like herbs and stones and little magic spell components built into them, and then you hold them and you concentrate on what you need, and they're supposed to, aid you in your life. I love them. I've got, like, I think 10 or something like that she made for me, 5 or 10. But I love them. Go for bones. Go for bones. Deer Coffin Bone Pendulum. Another green iguana. Wolverine with a bat cupcake. More Wolverine with more bat cupcakes. Bobcat. Green iguana. More green iguana. Tiny little earrings and a little pendant. Same here. Fox bones. Green iguana. And last but not least, more bobcat earrings. So yeah, that's the kind of stuff that Kit makes. They have bigger pieces that are absolutely amazing, very intricate and detailed, wet specimens, you know, things like that. Honestly, I couldn't even describe half the stuff that they make, but just head on over to their Etsy shop. I apologize. Check it out and see if you can find a cool gift for a loved one or for yourself. I guarantee there's something there you will like. They're an amazing artist. Well, that's it. Cannot wait to get this stuff all put out at the show and get people interested. So yeah, that's it for now. You guys have a good one.